Jack Jack, I'm gonna miss you so much. You're my baby. My favorite little fatty dog. Cute little feet. The sweetest face ever. Little mini Gus. And then over here we have Charles, who's my anorexic dog who never eats nothing. He's so sweet. I miss you so much. Charles, I know you don't like being the center of attention.